How to clear iPhone cache without deleting apps. To clear the cache on your iPhone without deleting apps, you can use several methods to free up space and improve performance, but this one is the better one. So, first of all you have to do is open the Settings app. iOS does not allow you to clear all app caches manually, but for some apps you can do this. Then, once you open the Settings app, all you have to do is scroll down and there you'll get to see General option available. Tap on the General. Inside General, scroll down again and tap on the iPhone storage. Once you tap on the iPhone storage, scroll and tap on the app you want to clear the cache of. So let me just tap on the Twitter X app. Then you will get to see Offload app and offload the app. Then tap on the Reinstall app. This removes app cache but keeps your documents and data. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.